This is another video of me trying to get another product from Amazon, and this is a new key fob for my Lexus GX 470. And the problem with this key fob is that I think I have it like for several years and it started to crack. Yep, this one is a Amazon special too. It did quite last a while, but yeah, I think this is very popular in Amazon, and there were some complaints about it, but for me, yeah, it did last like for several years. Yeah, unboxing it, and it seems to be really different. Yeah, it's like a matte finish, and it's way bigger than the original one. Yep. Actually, this is not original because the original one has a Lexus badge on this one logo at the back. So we'll see if I could transfer it successfully. The supplied screwdriver. I am unscrewing the screw here. Yep, there's a. I got both the I got the screw and the top cover, and basically this thing is like two parts. Oh, I cannot disassemble it with my hand on the phone. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I got this one out. Now I'm just going to transfer it to this one. So this is pretty much gonna be here. Yep. So I'm gonna match this up with this one, with the holes, and this should look like this. Nice. It fits. Now for the key. The key. Looks like the key belongs in here. Oh, yep. Let me see if the key is way too big. Uh-oh. We'll see if I could take this housing, picking it up by just pushing it out, and then I could put this one in. Yep. Now it fits. Actually, this one is pretty good because it doesn't use any screws. Oh yeah. Yep. Then we're gonna put the screws at the back. There's a small screw here that actually goes into the key over there. So I'm gonna put that in first. Putting in. I'm screwing it. Just tightening it. Yep. Okay. Now I could put the cover back in. Let me see. So how would I put this in? Oh, I need to put that in like that. Okay. Using the X tool supplied, I'm gonna put in the 4 bolts that secure the key. Tightening it. Yeah, basically you have to do 4 of them. Done. Nice. It feels heavy. Looks pretty solid. Yep, let's try it. Let me see if this key works. Key fob works. Alright, it starts.